How to use Gemini AI by Google to create free AI text to image. So if you want to create, free images through text AI, what you're going to do is you're going to click on chat with Gemini and you're simply going to go ahead with all of its terms, agree with it. And once we do that, we're going to click on continue. Once you do this, you're going to come over to Gemini and you can start chatting. Now, if you wanted to create an image, you're going to write create an image where a dog is wearing a cape and flying in the galaxy. Okay, you're gonna add a prompt like this, click on submit, and you're gonna wait for it to give you an image. And as you can see, it says, sure, here is an image of a dog wearing a cape and flying in galaxy. Obviously, you're gonna give it a few seconds to generate the prompt for you, and look at that. Look at that. How incredible does that look? So yeah, that is how you can use Gemini AI by Google to create free AI text to image. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.